Today, he heard strange whispers coming out of his cabin, as if someone was whispering in a low voice. Afraid, he opened the cabin and checked outside. There was Evie standing outside, who had an album in her hand. This album also had pictures of Adam's mom. Seeing his mom's pictures, Adam starts getting strange illusions again, in which he gets lost badly. And when he came to his senses, he saw that Evie was no longer in his cabin. I don't know what happened. Now, while watching the picture, he remembered the picture that he had taken of the forest yesterday. He took a red pen in his hand. He started looking for that picture, but he was not getting that picture in his cabin. Suddenly, Nanny's recordings also started playing in his room. In the recording, Nanny was saying, "Satan has found you. He knows every action of yours.